What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I haven't had you guys in the car all together in a long time.
Can you scare them for me?
Yeah, that's what I was doing.
You guys are dumb.
Well, why?
Scaring me. You should go that way and meet her at my ears.
I'm really hungry. Put your ass in the window, Kim. You're too mad.
No, that's okay.
You're stupid. What are you doing?
Videoing. What rattling? Oh.
I think I can run that fast.